Hello YouTube, how's it going? I'm Chris and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm taking the 3-inch out on this open field. Yeah, I just wanted to take it out, see how it does in a nice open field that I can just rip around. This quad used to be on a 2.5-inch prop. When I put on the 3-inch prop, it picks up and goes, but it didn't really feel like I was moving that fast. Also, it didn't feel like it was dropping as fast either. Like, it was really floaty. I haven't done much tuning on this quad yet, so there's prop wash and whatnot. So I was curious, if it feels floaty, what would be the solution? Insta360 Go footage after it's stabilized, it looks like it's flying great. This feels really slow. Does anybody have the same feeling? Leave a comment below. Other than that, just want to show you guys this nice little neat park where we fly every so often. What do you guys prefer flying at? Like wider open parks or much more tighter areas? If you guys like the video, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not a subscriber. Fly safe, be safe. See you guys next time. Bye. So hard to find. There on your own, just passing through, just passing time. If I make this yours and you make it mine, well then we'll see with golden eyes. Thing that you think